I just received the February 2018 Simon Says Stamp Card Kit, so I wanted to do a quick share video and let you see what's in the kit. It looks really fun and different this month, so I'm excited to start using that. So I'll go ahead and show you what's in the kit. It actually arrived a little bit sooner than I was expecting, so that was a happy surprise. And this month's kit is jam-packed with stuff. Some new products to try. So, as always, you get some candy. Let me go ahead and pull out the inspiration sheet here. They always send this. It has some card ideas for you and also has the supply list of everything that's included in the kit. So I'm going to lay that to the side here. So I'll probably have to refer to that for some of the products. First, let's go ahead and look at the stamp set. It's called Crafty Friend, and it's a Simon exclusive set. It's got all kinds of craft related sentiments. Crafter's gonna craft, hugs enclosed, you make everything colorful, handmade by someone super crafty named, and then it has a blank so you can put your name, sending you a handcrafted hello from so very far away. I'd rather be crafting, hello crafty friend, thanks. And it also has a couple of border stamps here, as well as some really cute images, crafty supplies, paint and paintbrushes, and so I am really excited to use this stamp set. Next we have, I'll just go ahead and show you these. They're from Prima. They're a little wood veneer, and they're it's like a little sewing machine, a camera, two cameras, three cameras, four cameras. So it's 4 cameras and a little sewing machine. Oh, let's see. Okay. Yeah, different kinds of cameras. So those are really cute. They also sent Simon Says Stamp Craft Tacky Glue. I think this is a new product, so I'm really anxious to try that. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know I'm looking for a good liquid adhesive, so I'm anxious to give that a try. Also in the kit is a sample of Daniel Smith watercolors. From what I hear, these little dabs of watercolor really go a long way, so I think that'll be so much fun. And along with that, they sent a water brush. So I have some of these, but I'm anxious to try out these watercolors. But and you can always use more of these. Okay, to go along with that, they sent a piece of watercolor paper. I believe it is. Yeah, it's textured. I'm pretty sure that's watercolor paper. There's 3 envelopes in the kit. I believe it's 3. Unless I've misplaced one. I'm not seeing on here. I guess I should have prepared better for this. Yes, 3 envelopes in metallic bronze, metallic orange peel, and mint. So, really love those. Add to my envelope stash. There's also included 2 embossing folders from Tim Holtz. There's a matrix and gridlock. So those will be fun to use. If you can, let me take this paper here so maybe you can see a little better the, I don't know if it's really showing up. But anyway, you'll see those in my card videos. But those will be fun. Also are these really, really pretty embellishments from Studio Katia, I believe is how you say it. I'm going to pour some of these out. Really, really pretty gems. pretty, pretty pink. Okay, so there's that. And this is new to me. It's Twiggy curved blade scissors. I'll go ahead and take these out and look at them. Maybe. Okay. And they're in a little, they have a little cover. Oh, cool. You just press down on this and push up, and it unlocks them. That would be really cool to give those a try. I love all the new products that are in this kit. It's new things to try. And here we have the pattern papers that are, it's from the I'd Rather Be Crafting from Echo Park. And there's 12 double-sided sheets. You get this pretty floral. This looks like measuring tapes. Here we have some like sewing related items, sewing machine, scissors, mannequin, some buttons, some pretty typewriters. This looks like typewriter keys. I don't know if you can see that. That's really pretty. Here are some more crafty related items. It looks like a paper trimmer, maybe a journal, camera. It looks like a ATG gun or a, some kind of tape runner. It's a pretty stripe, another pretty floral. This almost looks solid, but there's a very, very, I don't know what you want to call it, subtle pattern on here. It's almost like I can't tell. And here's some crafty words. Handmade, eat, sleep, love, craft, repeat. So that's fun. Pretty dots. Here we have some scissors, a ruler, paintbrush. So everything in this kit is like crafty related, and it's just so much fun. It's different than most other kits that you see. Pretty plaid or check, I guess you would say. Cameras, like a wood grain, a little cross stitch, pink. I think this is just solid. This looks like a cork board. We have a mint green, and here's a pretty pattern. This is like a solid turquoise, and then like an orange dot, and then a solid yellow. So it is so much fun. Okay, so for your papers this month, included is one sheet each of Simon Says Stamp 100-pound cardstocks in slate. Let me go through here. So this would be the slate. Then banana. It's a banana. Burnt orange. Audrey blue. And 120-pound white. But this is like, it's really smooth. It's almost got like a glossy, I don't know, but we'll try that out. I'm not sure what we're going to use that for, but it's almost like a glossy texture to it. But it doesn't have really, but anyway, we'll use it. So those are really pretty colors, and they go so well with the pattern paper. So really excited to try all these fun things. And I'll be back soon with a 10 cards, 1 kit video. And I'll probably do like I did last month and have 2 parts. It just makes it easier. And so you're not like waiting forever for me to do all 10 cards. So I can get something out there. And going to put all these pretty things aside until I can use them. So yeah, if this kit is still available when I post the video, I will put a link below and go over and check that out. There are 2 more videos for you to watch, and if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe by clicking on my picture here or the red subscribe box below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.